Today, we use a cold welding machine to weld 0.2 mm ultra-thin stainless steel sheets. The material is very thin. First, the current and pulse time are adjusted to 0.4, and the current is adjusted closely. Therefore, when welding, the tip of the tungsten needle is required to be aligned with the welding point dot. The distance formed is required to be closer. If it is too far, the arc will be scattered and it will not be easy to form solder joints. It will be broken, and the solder joints can be directly touched by hand without being hot. From the edge, it does not collapse in much dot. This product is a 0.2 mm stainless steel tube, a flange piece, one thick and one thin for welding, thick and thin pieces for mutual fusion welding. First of all, when adjusting the parameters, the thin piece should be the main one. If the adjustment is too large, the thin parts are easily broken by welding. The uniformity of the heat value and pressure adjusted by the welding machine is consistent, and the welding point forming effect is also very good. Regular products can also be automatically welded with tooling. The fit must be tight. There is a large gap in the middle, which is not easy to achieve. Today's welding sharing, have you learned it? What would you like to see next? Please leave a message in the comment area.